Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable push notifications on Fluxer. Now, push notifications are really useful if you want to stay updated even when the app isn't open. Once they're enabled, Fluxer can alert you whenever someone sends you a direct message, mentions you in the channel, or starts a call in one of your communities. Now to turn them on, you want to start by opening your Fluxer account. Click your profile icon at the very bottom, then go to Edit Profile. Inside, you want to scroll down and look for the Sounds and Alerts section. Now, this is where Fluxer lets you control how and when the app sends alerts to your device. Once you're in the notifications area, you want to make sure push notifications are enabled. And depending on your device, Fluxer may also ask for permission to send notifications through your operating system. If that prompt appears, just allow it so the app can send alerts properly. Now, once everything is turned on, you'll start receiving push notifications whenever there's activity related to you or your communities, helping you stay connected even when you're not actively using the app. And basically, that's it. That's how you enable push notifications on Fluxer. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!